Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting hands-on with the unit. Confirm the Dahua DVR model and firmware so you apply the correct reset method. Next, attach a USB mouse and a monitor. Make sure power stays stable during the process. Export configuration and video logs to a USB because once you reset, those settings vanish. Once done, locate the rear panel or open the menu. This lets you choose either hardware jumper reset or software factory reset, depending on model and access level. You now execute the chosen reset method. If using the on-screen menu, navigate to System or Maintenance, select Factory Reset, then confirm with the admin or master credential. This reinstates defaults. If the unit is locked, use the hardware method. Power down, open the case, and short the reset pins or remove the jumper exactly as the model guide shows. Then power up to trigger the reset. Make sure to use the DVR serial or master password if the interface asks. You need that to complete. Once the reset finishes, let the DVR reboot fully. Then you reconfigure network settings, time zone, and recording schedules so footage resumes correctly. Restore any exported configuration from your USB and verify each camera feed and motion detection. This confirms everything works. If the unit fails to boot or cameras remain offline, try a controlled power cycle, reapply the hardware jumper method, or reflash firmware as a last resort. These steps usually resolve persistent startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.